to find direction. Suddenly the moments collide. Finally found the faulty father. Family blood dilutes the water. I was dazed in my direction tonight.
Okay. Yeah, 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 yeah,